How are you guys? How are you doing? I'm back. My name is Zazi, and today we are solving this problem. We are required to determine the value of A and B without using the calculator. So here you see that we are given two things here. We are given a left-hand side and a right-hand side. So how do we find the value of A and the value of B? Okay, this one is a bit tricky. But the easy way of solving this is to separate your left hand side and your right hand side. So let us start with left hand side. So on the left hand side, you are given 1 minus plus square root of 2 divided by 3 plus 2 square root of 2. Okay. How do we rewrite this thing in a form of a linear form whereby it will be a square root of a plus b? Okay, the first thing to do is to rationalize. How can we rationalize this? If we can multiply by 1, and my 1 in this method will be 3 plus, not plus, sorry, but it should be minus, it should be 3 minus 2 square root of 2 divided by 3 minus 2 square root of 2. Okay, so that means it will be 1 minus, not 1 plus square root of 2 times 3 minus 2 square root of 2 all over 3 plus 2 square root of 2 multiplying by 3 minus 2 square root of 2. Okay, so here we are told that we are not allowed to use calculator, so there's no way of cheating this except doing it step by step. Okay, 1 times 3 becomes 3, 1 times minus 2 root 2 becomes minus 2 root 2, and then root 2 times 3 becomes plus 3 root 2, and root 2 times 2 root 2, so root 2 and root 2 will cancel, to be minus 2 times 2. So you divide this by what? 3 times 3. So here you see that signs are not the same but doing the same thing. So here you just compute the square, you multiply the 2, 3 times 3 becomes 9, and this one times this one will be 6 root 2, this one times this one will be plus 6 root 2. So minus 6 root 2 plus 6 root 2 becomes 0. But I can do it, becomes 6 root 2, this one times this one becomes plus 6 root 2, this one times this one. So 2 times 2, that one becomes 4, it's minus 4, open bracket, root 2 times root 2 becomes 2. Okay, so you see now these two cancels, this one and this one cancels. Okay, so here you have 3, it becomes 3. So this one minus this one plus this one, we have plus a square root of 2 minus 4. So you divide by what? You divide by 9 minus 4 times 2, it's 8. Okay, it's like we're winning now. So this one minus this one, it becomes square root of 2 minus 1, because when you say minus 4 and then you add 3, the answer is minus 1. And 9 minus 8 is what? It's 1, which is equal to a square root of 2 minus 1. This implies that A is equal to 2 and B is equal to minus 1, because you see that now this thing is written as this form. Is written in this form. So a square root of 2 is equivalent to a square root of A, and minus 1 is equivalent to B. That's why we say the value of A is equal to 2 and the value of B is equal to minus 1. I hope you understood this one. If you have any questions, please make sure that you write on the chat box. Thanks a lot. Looking forward to meet you on the other video.